one, I quickly want to put you through how to do it yourself kind of headband for your daughter. My wife has been having difficulty in getting some headband, various designs for my daughter, so I just felt I can do some for her, so I'll be doing like maybe two types or something. So the first type now, the first thing is to get the head circumference of the child. So mine is around 17 and a half or 17 3/4 thereabout. So we measure that first. So 17 3/4. Then you will add, let's say, like a space of maybe 1.5 or 2, max 2. But I'm using 1.5 for mine. So that's what we'll be using for the length. And yeah, that's it. A very simple process anyway. So, and this with the breadth now depends on how wide you want the headband to look like. Yeah, I would prefer, I will make it, I want mine to be like 1.75 wideness, so which will give us like maybe 3.5 or thereabout. 3.5. So measure your 3.5. And you can also use 3 inches. It depends on how wide you want the band to look like. This will be for the bow that will be in front of the band. So in most cases the bow shouldn't be more than max 4 or even 3.5. But then it depends on how big you want the bow to look like. So I'll be using 4 for mine, though I'm doing a lot, like, so I'll be shuffling the size, but this particular one I'll be using 4. The next one I might use 3.5. This very one I'll be using 4. Wideness now, the wideness shouldn't be more than maybe 2 inches. The wideness shouldn't be more than 2 inches. You have to leave like a sewing allowance of like half inch. So that's just the things you'll be needing for the Yeah, so basically I want to start sewing the headband for my daughter, and like I said, my desired size is 3.5. I mean, yeah, the what I measured was 3.5, so which will give us one 1 3/4. So that's what I'm showing now. 1 3/4. Both will be too wide. Yeah, I think let's do 2 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 for bowl. So I will go and open it now using iron. Like I said, don't forget that you are using the you have to measure the circumference, S circumference of the baby. Then you will add like 1.5 or 2 inches to that. Yeah. So we are using